Good afternoon, 11:59 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 11/15/2012. What do we have before us? IBM. IBM is the bellwether. It's part of our economy. They have brought new things in the way that software is computed, meaning that they've added a lot of features and functionalities, and their revenue licensing. This one is going to be one that covers. I'm just showing the monthly chart. It's below the 10-month moving average. The red line is a 20-month. Now, these are not weekly charts. These are not daily charts. These are very, very, very significant. We are currently printing at 185.65. Once again, we only go with the best of the breed. If I show a daily chart right here on IBM, from a daily perspective versus the monthly, you will see that there was a gap open up and it undercut it right here. This is the last of the correction that we had in this calendar year. It's right here. This is where we gapped up before, and this is where we're at. We've always had great rallies to highs, and during corrections, they come down. We rally up and test those highs and or make all-time highs. IBM did. The last quarterly earnings that IBM reported, they reported back-to-back quarters that were having a little bit of challenges, and they were making their adjustments worldwide. From a short-term macro view, it's extremely oversold. But then again, let's not forget, when we were up here, we were extremely overbought. We were extremely overbought. Down here, we were oversold where rallies happen, but now we're more oversold on a daily level than any time in the cycle. It's right down here. So, in the short term, if there is a resolution, they've marked the quarter after quarter down to meet their expectations fundamentally now. It will remain the bellwether, and at times will provide, like it always has, over many, many calendar years. And we can go all the way back over here when IBM was on sale at $71 from the 2009 lows. This whole time frame was a different period from 2002 with IBM. IBM's business model really started to grow in calendar 2010, 2011, all the way up here to 2012. Their execution has been superb. The percent returns have been excellent. Will it get on sale? It is now on a very short macro level. So when we look at these things in the very short term, this is the time of year when stocks like to rally from deep oversold levels of 2 months is November and December. Stay tuned on Big Blue because IBM has hit on a daily compounded level now. A very deep short-term oversold right here at a very critical support level that goes right across here where my thing is now. And the monthly chart is, once the selling is done, because of the great gains that it's given, they've been doing what we call tax selling in IBM. It's not because IBM is fundamentally broke. This is not the case. The case of it is that the people that have held it for multiple years are willing to take some money off. That's why we've gone from $210 down to $185. And we've had a double month reversal. Over here at highs, when we made the calendar 2012 highs, we got down to these levels, but we bounced right back up, and now we're right here on this monthly chart. It's coming to this mass critical area of support on the monthly. The reason why we showed the daily on Big Blue was that when the tax selling is done, and if we come down and test the 180 area right here where the rally started last year, 1 year ago, we started at the bottoms to make that high, and this is how the calendar 2012 looks like. So the tax selling is in play on IBM. It is a bellwether to own.